Super Bladers. Today we're going to be making a video of how fast my Lambo goes. So let's record it, let's do it. Let's try the Super Bladers. Bladers for life, you know. Okay, so let's get this thing started. Go. Oh shoot. See what happened. Think I broke it. Shoot, is it broke? Nope. Bella, come back. Well, you know, she's gone, so we're going to put our car back up in here, start it again, and yeah. Let's take a look at what's wrong with this. Sorry, didn't mean to get my hand. Oh, it turned up. Okay. Let's get this one more time. Again, what's wrong with it? I think I actually broke it this time. Oh, battery's out. Okay, let's put this thing back in. So, couldn't see. It's doing. Go. No, yes, my car cannot drift. But hit it, you can see the lights. That lights turn on. See the Lambo. Now the back lights do not turn on. Front lights. Yes, okay. So let's get it again. Go. So we're gonna take this down the street for a test drive. Yes, I'm wearing Crocs. Now I play with my friends in Crocs, so it's not a big deal about wearing some Crocs. So look at this thing. It's different from out here. Bill, what are you doing? Come back. Get away from there. Come back. Excuse me. Okay, well. So, boy, you going too fast, bruh. Cool down. Man, what's going like 65 miles per hour? And his house like lives right beside me. So we're gonna get this thing in. We're gonna redo it. Okay, let's get. Oh shoot, I'm out of. Yep, the batteries. So this time I'll let you see again. Okay, here we go. You heard that? Okay, let's get this. Dun 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 dun. Ooh, gone. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Love the video. Subscribe to superbladers.com. Superbladers. Look it up. It's a WWE logo. If you want to look at WWE, it's like a side logo and it's a toy thing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye, Super Bladers.